Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn strategy notes using Evernote detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn strategy notes using Evernote, start by opening the Evernote app on your device. Log in to your Evernote account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're in, create a new note by selecting the plus new note button. Title your note appropriately for easy reference later, such as LinkedIn strategy notes. Next, navigate to your LinkedIn strategy notes. You can either copy the content directly from your LinkedIn account or reference your existing documents. Highlight the text you wish to back up and copy it. Return to your Evernote note and paste the copied content into it. You may want to format the text for clarity by using bullet points or headings within Evernote. Add any additional thoughts or insights that may enhance your strategy. If you have images or links related to your strategy, consider uploading these as well. To ensure your notes are organized, add relevant tags to your note. Tags could include categories such as LinkedIn, marketing, or strategy. Once your note is complete, click on the Save or Done button. Your LinkedIn strategy notes are now backed up in Evernote. For further organization, consider creating a dedicated notebook for your professional strategies. This will make it easier to find your LinkedIn notes later. Remember to regularly update your notes as your strategy evolves. Evernote automatically syncs your notes across devices, providing easy access anytime, anywhere. You can also share your notes with team members by clicking the Share button. This allows for collaboration and collective input on your LinkedIn strategy. Lastly, periodically review your backup process to ensure all your important notes are secure. With these steps, you'll keep your LinkedIn strategy notes safe and organized in Evernote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.